Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new XRP video. How's everybody doing, by the way, guys? Minus 0.96% on XRP, but I'm here to tell you that XRP is doing very nicely. And we are following XRP every single day, as you know. And, you know, some days are not that eventful, so there is not much to say about it, but we'll still tell you what's happening right now and how this might actually unfold, what I'm expecting to happen. Because right now we have had for 2 days a pullback, which is necessary for the next move towards the upside. So I think we are coming very close to some kind of ending of that pullback. So let's go and charts and see what's actually happening over here. So as you see here, we have these two lines on top up here, and just as expected, the bottom line seems to be the more important one. Not actually this upper one. So we're gonna remove this upper line, trend line. I'm gonna let's zoom in a little bit up here so you understand why I'm removing this upper line. Oftentimes when you draw trend lines, you don't actually know which trend line is the correct trend line, and the correct trend line is only the trend line that most traders are looking at to get support or not, right? So there's all kinds of lines, but some lines are more important than other lines, and I think this bottom line up here, down here, is more important than this upper line. So the reason I think that, if you go to the 4-hourly time frame, you'll see that here, that even though up here, even though this upper line did give it support up here, these 2 weeks on the downside do give me more confidence in the bottom side. But you know, both are important, but I think this you know, bottom line should be looked at support, because right now you can see here we're stopping a little bit there, but that might be also because of the moving averages. So I think we're gonna remove this line, you know, less line on the screen, easier to read the charts. So I think this is pretty decent right now, and you can see here that we have had some kind of a pullback over here, which is perfectly normal. I mean, this pullback happens all the time, guys. Every single time after any kind of move towards the upside, you get a pullback. Pullbacks are good. Pullbacks are, you know, a possibility to, you know, load up more, to buy more, you know, buy the dips and stuff like that, right? Everybody loves pullback. In a bull market, everybody loves pullbacks, because that's the time when they can buy more, you know. Pullbacks are very good, and there is no problem with this pullback whatsoever. So let's go to the daily time frame up here and see how this actually unfolds right now. So you can see here, ever since down the, you know, consolidation phase up here, we went up to the resistance, had a pullback, and then bounced off of the resistance to the next resistance, having a pullback, and then, you know, next move I think is all the way up to 156. Maybe not all. I mean there should be some kind of a resistance up here. I haven't checked it out, but you know, there might be something that I'm missing up here, but I think it's more or less a free ride all the way up to 156. So I think the next move might actually be quite volatile towards the upside. From over here all the way towards the upside, it's like something like 25% towards the upside, which might be, you know, perfectly fine move, but I think it might go a little bit slower towards the upside here, and then, you know, big move towards 156. You know what, let's double check down here if we got an you know, there is nothing here on the weekly. There is one resistance here that might give us some kind of stop at 1.4. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna leave this resistance up here. We're gonna leave this resistance. So if we break 1.3, I think, you know, 1.4 might give us some kind of a pull, some kind of consolidation phase before we actually go all the way up to 1.55, 56, right? You know, I'm a little bit unsure about this one, but you know, it also corresponds with this stop up here, so maybe there is some kind of stoppage here. I mean, a lot of traders are looking at these lines, you know, and you know, they decide, you know, is this enough move towards the upside? Is 13% enough move towards the upside to get some kind of consolidation, to take profits and then load up more for the next move towards the upside? Doesn't matter. This looks very nice. This pullback is very nice. You know, next move should go all the way up to 1.31, and once you break it, maybe 141, maybe 156. We're gonna see how we got. So when are we gonna know for sure that we are gonna go higher? Well, I'm gonna draw a line for you, and this line needs to be broken, and once this line is broken, then we go higher. So basically there is something up here, something like this. I would say around, yeah, let's call it like this up here. This is the trend line that needs to be broken. So we will know that we are breaking this downtrend up here. This is a short-term downtrend on 1 hourly time frame. So you know that we are going towards the upside, towards 1.30 as soon as we break this downtrend lines. Because right now this pullback is following this downtrend, and once this downtrend is broken, then we know we're going to 1.3, and once we break 1.3 towards the upside up here, we're going to 1.56. But this downtrend right now is the most important one. You can see here really nicely holding this downtrend, and as long as this continues, we are in the downtrend. But as soon as we break it, it's going to be looking good. Not only that, when you break it, you're above all the moving averages up here. You're probably above all the moving averages on the 4 hourly time frame as well. Yeah, you are, and it's going to be looking good. But this is the line on the 1 hourly. I mean, it's something to look at, while this pullback is happening, because it's not very eventful event right now. Everything is a little bit boring because Bitcoin is not pumping like crazy, so all alts are having this pullback. But these are the good times. These are the good times because people load up, people change their portfolio a little bit, they take profit somewhere, they put some money some other places. These are chill times when it's time to reflect on your portfolio and see what's good, what's not, right? That's it, guys. Subscribe to the channel because we do this XRP video every single day, so we're gonna see what's happening tomorrow with XRP as well. Hit the like button if you liked the video, and check out some links down below for the Patreon and stuff like that for daily altcoins video if you want to see more content about the altcoins and stuff like that, right? You also get a very nice Telegram group where you can chat with me and other people about altcoins and stuff like that, ask questions, whatever you want, right? This bull run won't last forever. This is next couple of months. That's it, guys. That's it. Some people are projecting this into January, February, like all the way up to the June, July. I think that's hoping. But we'll see. We'll see how far we get. But the best thing you can do right now is invest in something. You don't want to get free advice from somebody who's trying to pop their bags on YouTube. You don't want to buy and sell because some guy YouTuber is shilling his coins and altcoins. I buy this is good. I buy that's good. You don't want to know what's happening, and only way to know what's happening is to watch a lot of altcoins, and we do that on Patreon. Guys, same time, same place tomorrow. Be here. Bye bye.